Hello everyone, welcome once again to the Public School Teacher YouTube channel, and I'm back with another tutorial video. And this time I'm going to teach you how I download YouTube videos and convert them into MP3 or MP4 using my mobile phone. So basically I am using a free app which I downloaded from the Play Store. So what is this app? So first is you go to Play Store and then you search for free music. There you go, then click search, and then you can see here the first app, which is free music, listen songs and music. That's the icon here. That's the one that I use to download videos from YouTube and convert them into MP3 or MP4. So basically, I already installed it on my phone. So now I'm going to open it and show you how it works. So click open. So this is the interface of the app, free music. Okay, so there are some, of course, there are some advertisements here. So you just have to close it. Okay. So now what you will do is basically there are 5 items here at the bottom, the FM, my music. So if you click my music, you can see the playlists and the songs that you have downloaded. Okay, we also have an FM station here. We also have some discover button here where you see some recommendations from the app. And of course there's a search button here which is the one that I often use. So if I click that one and then search for music, for example, I would choose, let's say, BTS Dynamite. There you go. And then click the search button here, and then it would recommend videos from YouTube that is relevant to your search. So what you will do now is search for what you will need. And then you have to click the ellipsis button here. For example, if you want this first video here, you would click the ellipsis button at the right part of the screen and then just click download. After clicking download, you have now an option to download either the MP3, that's the audio, or the MP4, that's the video version of the song. So just choose among the two. I choose between the two and then click confirm. So now it will be added to your playlist. Let's see if it's already here in my music. There you go. So as you can see, the MP3 that I downloaded earlier is now on my songs on my playlist. So that's how you will download YouTube videos and convert them into MP3 or MP4 using a free app on your mobile phone. This works on Android.